Hello junior class, welcome to the online class once again. Tani teman yalak Joseph Chengonang, Joseph Chengpongau, Joseph yalang manang. Teman Joseph say when the Bible nilim ngolak yang ada mak confused ni menglak China China tamnang. Because I have also seen nong mela no to Joseph Chengo yang even Saul jengang confused ni meng patau tahu. Adam ni yang ki Saul Bible no teman ngilaka ala pa jenga pumapo yang alang pa jenga pumapo sola ala ulang manang. Old Testament no teman ngilak solang pa. He is the first king of Israel tau king onang hayang ala pa jenga pumapo teman ngilak sola Pharisee kata cha Christian land tu yang ngopo pa Christian land persecute meng ngopo kata cha hayang iya Damascus makawang hau yang iya tau pe ma min chela yang Paul na meng nga Paul apostol na meng pujeng atau teman nginang tau kimu teman Joseph ala pa jenga cha puma in all New Testament we see Joseph as adoptive father of Jesus. Joseph ay Mary si him po atau Joseph ngolak hayang ni siya pa Joseph hak pa cha iya Jisu fe wi ngo bukata yang Jisu tang pe matui pe ma iya pilot Jisu jing mang yu yang iya atau mang namuno bu Joseph chang wanang hayang teman tini yalak pa lim su pa lo pa alang pa jing cha puma kata mengan apong talim pe menit aling cham open menit Genesis chapter 37 verses 1 to 17 atau ma po yalang wanang tani putumana teman chapter 6 to 10 to ki part munang Joseph Chengpongau ayang teman natini chapter hayalak chapter 6 tahu hayalak because if the video is very lengthy naman boring na menglak I know video class is little boring tahu china chapter hayalak tahu ki tahu tai pungunang teman natini ngilak ngibut Joseph son of Jacob iha pangpeng pen menit naushija nahaja tahu chengonang atau nausia atau teman chapter title of the chapter Winchai pu Joseph obedient Joseph talking onang tahu cina atau na kawang Winchai pu ayang ipa inyulan Winchai pu nahaja atau Joseph cheng yalang onang atau naha pangpeng pen menit naha son of Jacob yong ipa Winchai pu cina ayang ipa wutaya menga taya pupu na meng puchina ipa yelak yong i Joseph ta kan bona chana meng yangi hang ipa yong kan puchina i chela na ita mong yamai bu nu pucha na chana meng yangi atau na ta i chela na yong nu bu kaya ngau mayo yang ngau ku his brothers hated him so much that they could not even speak kind words to Joseph to kibuna cha hang ipa ita yong kan puchina Pakshaw kapran utunekta tidishe. His father gave him one new clothes, and that is why his brothers hated him all the more. Ichaya ilani the young nu taukiengo wanta Joseph ta mangcha mangyanki. Ado mang ma imana kata tayanga tayak shep atap shawango. They went to the field and they were gathering the sheaves of grains. They were binding it. Tauki yang orang terketi tu jaga na itu dan olah itu dan grup tu bandi tu na hinaga bandi dah khatam deh. Joseph Ching tayak sab atap sab waya yong amai yang he was very healthy. He was going good and then stood upright. Tauki yang wanta ite launching pa ite kuat yang ite tauki bow down and worship tauki yang I mang puji ite landa neret na meng. Tauki neret na meng wanta ite lana jam yong amongsi. Iman awang mumu Joseph the mong yamay bungo wanta to mang ita mang bantaw na rin naming wanta ichailan ito dibo ibua nanga ang nameng laksat tayo nang ka ang panameng yung teman tang tuwang lamlam laksat tayo nang ka siya nga Joseph ti ichailan na tibo ataw ngoyang ki tau ki ang wanta mo niso ba ilakbo mang Joseph ta niso ba mang may ita wanghi let nyo yung panmacha sanalan remember 11 brothers that he have so sun moon and 11 stars halo wanghi let new hanga panmacha sanalan ita kuwata po hanga ita bow down na meng worship na meng bataw kia mang po yun neret na meng ato neret na meng wanta ipaw ita ti ipa nang ating na taw hanga nang new hanga nang chailan taman ase nang ta kamlak ko talak sa tayo nang ka sa ti ichailanu ita ti ichailanu ita yelak mongsi tau kiango hapu ipa ita kan haching tau jing na hayanga ipa atau manga ita tia pu atau manga imong mang although his father scolded him for narrating the dream, but his father kept it in his heart, the dream that Joseph has just narrated to them. Tauki ang wanta ipa ichelanta Joseph ching ichelanta nui chada shikem se nui pu min pu nui te ni hai yonlan yomlak tinese shonatai ipa ching ni yonlan ta yomlak tinese. His father sent his brothers, Joseph's brothers, to a place called Shechem to look after the sheep and the goats, that to tender them, to look after them. Tauki shonatai nga ipa Joseph ta nangu chama tayanga atolan ta laikai inang chela na hanga tuiling wa pai nang chela na mai tuiling po he hanga sa do tayanga nang chela ching report phakai se Joseph the son Joseph win chai puna ha chana meng puchina ai talakama ase yanga always ready na ever ready yanga pia pichailan talelak china se Shechem de mui min punyi cha ta tai tau Taiwan de ichelan atau hayanga kata chahau atau kata ta nausilan tau ke ngia si wanta imana totam se min bunyi ta talak si chayang ki sa tau kata chai wanta Joseph atau kata ta tai. Chapter 6 hala na ngonang Joseph, 17 years old boy, very obedient child who is loved by his father but is hated by his brothers because his father loved him. Atau nahacha he had a dream that he was binding the sheaves of grains, and his grains the other sheaves of grains were bowing down to him. That was the first dream. Don't forget the two dreams because they will be important at the last chapter, the end of the Joseph story. Second dream that he got was that the sun, the moon, and all the stars, 11 stars, they bowed down to him. That was the second dream that Joseph got, and which he narrated to his father and his brothers, and which is why he was scolded by his father as well as his brothers, and his brothers hate him all the more. But his father, remember, his father kept the words in his heart. And after that, his father sent his brothers to a place, Shechem Semin Bunyi Chada, and knew the Shona to look after the sheep and the goats, and Joseph is sent there. That is still chapter 6. Tau bhaima next chapter islan ma tumana next time tumana singlaka I tawan de ichelan hangte I the hunger treat nemeng ato sing lakmanang hayang tau bhaima iching remaining stories tau ki tumana singlak manang tau kai keep following the class. We will be updating you tau ki pagpag tumana update nemeng wala online class. And along with this video, I will be sending a PDF file. PDF file mo to son la ka naman tuman physical class me ya ngo pukia konyak ngau atam konyak ngau English mo translate me nga from this chapter to okay son lang onang taw kay numana hado study na meng kay hayanga hado study na meng okama naman sa test chakia along with the guidance of your parents. Test written achika ma video kia video ma nang ninang pala na tam tong yang nang ato reply na meng hado ki video ya noglak hado kiyo naman na Sean Noglak ajika ma written test ya yang atau tata. Don't forget to mention your name and your class tau kia atas Sean Poglak sa atau China tam now. Till then, till we meet again, God bless you all and stay safe.